Good morning, everyone. It's Monday, September 14th. We're with Zoe and Jane. Hello, everyone. Hello, hello. Enjoy. We have a windy beach today. The flag is flapping. Hey, Zoe. And we're going over here. And the winds are from the southwest. Ah, look at that beautiful water. Water. Anyway, let's go to see the escarpment, what it's looking like today. Oh, it's still there. It's bigger. It looks closer today. Some days it looks magnified, and some days it doesn't look magnified, and it has to do with the magnetics. The ionization magnetics effect. Very interesting. Let's see if there's any frogs here today. Come here, sorry. I took a picture of a beautiful red dragonfly. I don't know if I need a better camera and I can take those shots. Oh, something fall. I don't know. Oh, I wonder if that's a ball. Let's go check it out. Could be a spaceship. I think it's a beach ball. There we go. Oh, don't drink the water. Okay. Froggies go under beautiful mud and have a mud sleep for a while. They have a nice time. Those are unusual flowers. They're pretty beach flowers. A lot of interesting flora and fauna here. Okay, Zoe, we're going to go now. Seems like a nice day. It's going to get warmer. It's getting cooled down for a while, but today I think it's quite nice. I hope you enjoy your day today. Have a good Monday. Very nice. Okay. Hey, Zoe. Zoe? Yeah, anyway. It's really pretty to hear the trees, the wind through the trees, the willows, yeah? Sounds like that fabric. What's that fabric? That sounds like that. Oh, I can't remember right now. I think it's raffia. No. I'm thinking of Raffi and the real song. No, that's not it. Oh, God. Crinoline? Crinoline could be. But I think it's more like, I have a dress like that. Every time you sit on it, it sounds like you're a crispy potato chip or something, you know? It's kind of interesting, but it's not a nice sound. I like it. These pine trees fall off every winter. Anyway, I gotta go.